Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix your timing in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you can see the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with improving our timing in our songs in GarageBand. So let's go ahead and open up the audio recorder right here. You can open up any of the instruments, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to open up this new same recording menu where we can get started recording ourselves, and in the upper left corner we can find the edit mode. So by clicking this button, it's going to open up this mixing mode where we can find all the tracks they have. As you can see here, I have my drums, my piano, and my voice recording. And now let's say that my tempo is off. I want to go ahead and fix my timing so that my vocals can go ahead and be synced with my instruments and so on. Basically, the option that is going to go ahead and be helping us with this is right here in the upper right corner. By clicking the settings icon, that's going to open up this new menu of options, and one of them is going to be called time signature. So alongside time signature, we also have multiple options such as our content. We have the tempo. We can change the tempo to whatever we want and what we prefer to go ahead with our music, and we have our key signature as well as time signature. So these are all the options that you want to utilize to go ahead and fix your timing in your songs, to go ahead and get everything synced up and correctly done. But yeah guys, basically that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.